It's me, Beauty Glamour Hair. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about how to create a makeup budget step by step. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and when you hit that subscribe button, do not forget to turn on the notifications bell so you do not miss any of my uploads. Now let's get straight into this video. So there are two things I did want to mention in this video, and one thing at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a little tip. And then I'm gonna kind of tell you guys how I kind of got started in makeup budgets. Now, there are 3 steps to creating a makeup budget. The first step is to set your amount. How much money are you going to allow yourself to spend on makeup? Is it going to be $20, $50, $30, $60, etc.? Now, once you've got that done, the second step is to figure out what's going to be included in your makeup budget. Now what I mean is, besides makeup, what else can you buy with this makeup money? Are you going to buy makeup brushes, makeup organizers, acne products, face masks, skin beauty stuff, nail polish? That's the type of stuff. Now, once you've got that set, the third and last step is to figure out how much money you are going to put in your account. Now, are you going to put $2 in, 3, 5, 6, 7, maybe 10, $20 a week? And then, once you've figured out how much you're going to put in, how regularly are you going to be putting money in your makeup budget? Is it going to be weekly? Is it going to be a monthly thing? So it's time for that little tip. It's going to figure out what you're going to put your money in for safekeeping. Are you going to envelope system, which is what I do? Are you going to put it in a savings account, a bank account? Figure that out also. Now, story. So how I got into makeup budgeting was, I was, in the beginning, I did not really budget. I didn't save money for makeup. I mean, I did a little, but not really. Just ask mom and dad to buy me makeup, and then it wasn't until I started to get older that I, want to start buying some things on my own with my own money, not asking for them, and makeup was one of the things I just wanted to buy on my own. So, I kind of started a budget, and then I wasn't really finding that successful. So then YouTube and found, a video by Whitney Hendricks that I liked, and it was, just kind of like her telling me, that she wanted to spend less on makeup and just like tips why you should start a makeup budget and stuff, and that video really did inspire me. So then, I gave makeup budgeting another try. So, and I've been doing it ever since. So now another tip I did want to give was, don't be afraid, to change up your makeup budget. If you start off, say, $20 is how much you have to get, and you're only going to buy makeup, well, don't be afraid if you find that's not working to change up. I've gone through many different makeup budgets and many different price limits so don't be afraid to just kind of, change your makeup budget as you go. So yeah. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.